They try to frame me from pictures I paint to cry and
Nagabo ko sa akin, boy.
But I won't let them change me. I'll remain.
Doon, parang sa push.
Ayy, they ain't think I would do it, but I did. Really having this shit, really winning. Was times that I thought I'd forever be sinning and spinning whatever to stand on the business. But God bless the game, did it all but a sinning. All the shots they let off, but they ain't hitting. All the shots they let off, they ain't mentioned was hitting. Go ahead, twice, finding them limping. Never change, I'm the same as you see me. The only thing changes the paper my feet. Can't forget about the diamonds and chains on my pendant was starving, but now we eat steak for a living. If we ever fell out, you was fake or a beat. Niggas quick to switch sides, don't be standing on shit. But yet I'm the biggest, ain't changing my quick rep to 6. Disrespect and get put in that dick. I came up off a rap, but no prices for bricks. $1 million combos out to eat with my stick. Big got bows and condos, letting lows go for 6. Brand new Glock with my little bro, shit came with a switch. In the list, how you niggas gon' die for that shit? Let them make it for months, hurt my pride a little bit. When they ride, make his whole family cry for that shit. I'm the same, I ain't letting shit slide, and I'm in every word that I said. I put this on the seat. I'm the same nigga thug from the cell to the bridge. Better ask about X, matter of fact, come and see how this rap shit ain't helping me, nothing to me. Ayy.
I won't let them change me. I'll remain ever.
They say X when the change probably cause I got rich. I ain't hurting my kids, they ain't wanting for shit. They say X when the change probably came from a bitch I did, now I'm up and they off on my dick. They say X when the change probably came from a nigga I fuck with, but good shit I'm deal with the guy. Come out of this, don't get to say the X change. I'm the same and I'm standing on top of my name.
I won't let them change me.